In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Lovable AI. Web app in Shopify, easy guide. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable and click the official Lovable website in the results. Once you're on the site, open your project at Lovable.dev. You'll want to work with an existing deployment, so navigate to your deployed app and locate the live URL. This is the public link where your app is already running. Copy that live URL. We'll use it to create the embed. Next, convert that live URL into an embed code. The simplest way is to use an iframe. Think of an iframe like a window that displays another web page inside your Shopify page. Your iframe should point its SRS to your live URL, and you can set attributes for width, height, and styling. A practical setup is 100% width, so it fills the page, a comfortable min height so content isn't cut off, and a border set to none for a clean look. Keep it lightweight and don't include any sensitive parameters. If your app needs scroll, leave scrolling enabled so shoppers can use it easily. Now let's place it inside Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin and open Online Store. From there, choose Pages, then click Add Page to create a new page dedicated to your web app. Give the page a clear, descriptive title so customers know what it is. For example, Diet Planner, if that describes your tool. In the page editor, switch to the HTML view by clicking Show HTML, usually shown as angle brackets. This lets you paste raw code rather than formatted text. Paste your iframe code directly into the HTML area. Before saving, you can quickly review the width and height values in the iframe to make sure they'll look good with your theme. If your theme has narrow content areas, 100% width with a taller min height often produces the best experience. Click Save to publish the page. Your Lovable app will now load inside that Shopify page, ready for visitors to use. If the app looks cramped, return to the editor and adjust the iframe height. For mobile friendliness, a full-width embed usually adapts well to smaller screens. If you ever update your Lovable deployment, the page will reflect those changes automatically because it's pulling the live app via the iframe. And if you want shoppers to find it faster, you can later add this page to your navigation menu from your online store settings. That's it. You've embedded your Lovable AI web app into Shopify using a simple iframe with a clean setup that's easy to manage and update.